So this is the SR 150. It has got 150cc engine, which you can guys find at the Vespa 150. So it is somewhere exactly the same engine. Hello guys and welcome back to a very new vlog. So today I am over here at Aprilia showroom, which is at Goregaon West. So you can see Planet Moto over here. So this is the authorized showroom where you can get Aprilia SR 150. I am here to test ride this new Aprilia SR 150. So as you guys can see, it's looking amazing. So I am really very excited to test my hands on this. So let's ride it. Feels amazing. I'll have to take a spin at this road only. So the start is amazing. It feels amazing. So let's see. So it feels quite good. So I'll have to take a spin at this crowded road itself. Practically speaking, the braking is also quite good. See, to avoid in this particular road scene also it performs quite good. Basically it is designed for the Indian road things only. So it has got analog speed meter, and plus you can see passing switch is also there, and plus horns, the stock horn. So it's time to rev this machine harder. The seat position is also quite good. See, if you are sitting like this kind of thing is very uncomfortable for the tall riders, but if you sit like this back, it's perfect, So it is fun to ride this vehicle. See, the control is amazing basically. See, and the braking is super. It is like it offers 10 bhp of power and 11 Nm of torque, so which makes it very easy to overtake very easily. See the braking, the braking is quite amazing. So now let's take a U-turn. So it has also got pretty amazing suspensions. You guys can see the front is the telescopic and the rear is the mono suspension kind of thing. Plus the brakings are also quite good. The front brake is of the disc brake types, while the rear end is drum brake still. So as this is a demo unit, that guy said that the side stand is not available still, but when you purchase the real unit you will get the side stand as well. I'm pretty much impressed with this vehicle because it's perfect. So in the city rides it will be quite amazing to ride this super sport scooter. So it zips and zoom quite amazing in this traffic as well. So you guys can see now I'm riding at 80 and it performs quite smooth, So that's it for now. Now let's go inside and submit this vehicle. The exhaust is also quite smooth. So it has not got the side stand, but it has got the double stand. So this is it. Now let's check this under storage So you know, a half face helmet would fit into this, and the petrol tank is of 6.2 liters. Yes. So you guys can see this is the drum brakes over here. There is also front disc brake kind of thing over here. This is the front suspension. So this is it. This is my review on Aprilia. So if you guys want to buy this Aprilia SR 150, especially in Mumbai, you can visit this Planet Moto showroom, which is at Goregaon West. You can search. It is nearby this is nearby Cinemax Theatre. So you guys can see, you know, this is the road. So you can find this Aprilia showroom over here. So if you are interested to buy this vehicle, it's an amazing vehicle if you want to buy some super scooter like this. And I just checked with him, the ex-showroom price over here is like 81,000. By price kitna is ga? 80,000. So the on-road price in Mumbai over here is 80,000, and you guys can come over here and buy it. Okay.